Hey people, it's Brad and today I'm going to show you a super speedy install. Now I always tend to have a hard front system, so this is a Champion that I permed, and what I mean by hard front is it's not going to expose the hairline. So a lace front, you see the hairline, it blends from your skin into the hair and you have an amazing hairline. A hard front is don't see that exposed lace, so that way you can be a bit quicker at the installation and a bit less precise around the hairline, so you can just get it on super quick and super fast. And now I'm just going to dehydrate my scalp with some alcohol spray. I'm going to start a stopwatch to film the whole process. I'm going to be using extender bond just because for speed rather than accuracy. Like I said, it's a hard front, so it's not going to be, the hairline and the sides aren't going to be exposed, so I can go in a little bit more sporadic with the tapes. So yeah, so I am going to get everything ready and then I will start filming the process and start the stopwatch. So let's get into it. Hey guys, so this is my finished install. This is a super quick install. It's a Champion unit that I have permed. So this was just a quick install for today. I'll maybe remove it tonight before bed. The good thing is I'll lace release it with the lace release spray, and then I'll maybe get another couple of wears out of the tapes because they're still brand new. So the lace release kind of lifts the tape. When it dries out, if you give it a little layer and dry it in, it tends to reinvigorate the glue, so I can get like a little extra wear out there. This perm texture, like this is the first system I've ever permed. I choose a dark base because the more chemical work that's done on a perm, the more it can kind of be dry. So I thought if I go with a darker base, the hair starts off a bit healthier and I'll get like a bit of a healthier result. It's super cute. Obviously I've brushed it out just then, so it's going to go a bit more bigger and frizzier, but if I would have left it in its kind of curls, just wet it down, let it dry, it would have dried in a really nice sort of shape. I'll just use maybe a bit of serum just to soften it, but yeah, I'm loving it. It was the Champion base. The base is amazing as always. That's a Lordhair Champion base, and thanks Lordhair.